In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change events color in Google Calendar if you want to make your calendar easier to read at a glance. Changing the color of an individual event is a simple and very useful option. This can help you visually separate meetings, appointments, personal reminders, or anything else you've added to your schedule. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to update the color of a specific event in Google Calendar. To begin, open the event you want to change. You can do this directly from your Google Calendar by clicking on the event in your calendar view. Once the event opens, look for the Edit option, which appears as a pencil icon. Click that pencil icon to open the full event details page. On the event editing screen, you'll see the event's current settings, including the calendar it belongs to. Next to the calendar name, there will be a colored circle showing the event's current color. This is the setting you'll use to customize how the event appears. Click the current color circle, and a selection of colors will appear. From there, choose the new color you want to apply to this event. Pick whichever color makes the event stand out in a way that works best for you. For example, you might use one color for work-related events and another for personal plans. The goal is to make your schedule more organized and easier to scan quickly. After selecting your new color, make sure to click Save. This confirms the change and updates the event in your calendar. Once saved, the event will now appear in the new color you selected. That's all it takes to change the color of an event in Google Calendar. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how clearly your calendar is organized, especially if you manage a busy schedule or want certain events to stand out more than others. If you're updating multiple events, it's a good idea to stay consistent with your color choices so your calendar remains easy to understand. Clear color coding can save time and help you recognize important events instantly. And that's how to change events color in Google Calendar.